Taragani Palakshima Lok Sabha Mikhalda, Indian National Congress Party ki ticket Mai Paktuna, Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency Amadi, Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency ki MP, Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akhojam Amadi, Alfred Kangom Arthur, Ngasi, Taragani Palakshima Lok Sabha ki Nini Chanba Parliamentary Sesanda, Member of Parliament Oibegi Wasak Lokre, Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency ki MP, Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akhojam na, Ngasi Wasak Lobogi Thoram Aduda, Indian National Congress Party ki Makok Thongbal Lochingba, Rahul Gandhi Yauna, Congress MP Singh Hagatuna, Mahako Pukning Thogat Pa Oina, Lepkatuna Ikai Kumnabu Utpagaloina, Manipur Haiba Kholau Lauduna, Parliament House Adu, Pumninki, Amasung, Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akhojam, Kutta India ki Constitution ki Lairik Paiduna, Imalonda Taibong Pan Simbi Sabiba Sidaba Mapubu, Panduna, Mahaki Wasak Lobogi wa Hogdok Pagaloina, Imalebak ni Yaifare, Manipur Imani Yaifare, Haibawa from Tomduna, Mahaki Wasak Lobogi Thoram Adu, Lushinki.
I'll have. Yes, I'll add. I Angomcha Bimol Akhojam Lok Sabha ki Thawuroi Misak Amoina Khanbiraklaba Maramna Aihakna Taibung Palbu Sembi Sabiba Sidaba Mapubu Panjaduna Wasaksari Madudi Aina Linkraba Bharat ki Lengak Lon Janapathapu Aina Tasengna Thazaba Amadi Pukning Sengna Ningjaba Uchagani Loinana Bharat ki Ningtamba Amadi Amato Oiba Saktambo Aina Yokhat Chagani Amasung Aina Paikat Kadoriba Lokhat Kadoriba Thaudang Singh Pukchel Sengna Pangthok Chagani Jai Hind Imale Pagna Yaifare Manipur Imana Yaifare.
Sri Alfred Kangam S. Arthur.
I, Alfred Kangam Shangshakoshi Arthur, having been elected a member of the House of the People, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Manipur mein nyay dilaiye, desh bachaye. Thank you.